All right, Railway. Let's give it. Give it to me, Railway.
You better stop!
Okay. Oh, he's sucking me in.
What?
The hell? I'm just gonna close my eyes for this one, y'all.
Tunnel vision got my eyes on you, tracking every single line and every move. Heart is racing day and night for you. Don't hold back, enjoy the ride and let it loose. The sirens keep on screaming, that's a warning.
Okay.
We're staring at the ticket, that's just one trip. No turning back, hold tight onto the rail.
They do remind me of Chase Atlantic or The Weeknd.
Yeah, this train never sleeps. Brace yourself, take a seat.
Okay. What is this, bro?
Care about the casualties, cause it's safe when it's just you and me, baby. I feel our heartbeats shaking, trembling, right, hold on tight. Yeah, this train never sleeps.
What you mean?
Yeah, boy.
Need no break, no breaks. This train, the engines go insane. I'm late, it rains.
Are we still talking about Train, y'all?
On rail, fear is dead, no doubt.
Okay, after it does remind me of like a Weekend song. I'm not gonna lie.
Baby, trust me now. Sirens keep on screaming, that's a warning. We're staring at the ticket, that's just one trip. No turning back, hold
One
tight
trip.
to them railings. It's only us, but something saying more, please.
Bro, did you have sex on a train? What is happening? What?
Yeah, this train never sleeps.
Are we talking about the same thing?
Yourself, take a seat.
Why are we making trains so sexy? What the hell?
About the casualties, cause it's safe when it's just you and me.
Are we talking about trains? Bangchan, what the hell you been doing on trains? The hell? What made you think? Did you watch Thomas the Train? Was Thomas the Train playing in the background while something was happening? Like, were you on a train while this was happening? What is this? Bangchan said he'd leave it up for our interpretation. All right, I'm gonna give my own interpretation then at the end. Nah, I need to look up the lyrics. Hold up. Wait, no, chat. Come on. They sing day and night for you. Okay. Don't hold back. Enjoy the ride. Let it. Are you into trains, Bangchan? Is that what we're talking about? Thomas the Train? What's happening? The sirens keep on screaming. That's a warning. We're staring at the ticket that says one trip. Okay. No turning back. Hold tight onto them railings. My boy. You fucked on a train? My boy, did you fuck? Did you fuck on a train? It's only us, but something saying more, please. What? Bro, look, my mind is going crazy right now. Yeah, this train never sleeps. Brace yourself, take a seat. Don't you care about the casualties? What? Cause it's safe when it's just you and me. Baby, I feel our heartbeat shaking and trembling. Rough ride, hold tight. Yeah, this train never sleeps. What the hell? Because there's also another crazy slang or term called running a train, which I will not explain to y'all. Because running a train is crazy of a statement. I don't think he meant that. Need no brakes. This train, the engine go insane. Bro, is it what is representing oh, that boy? What in the hell? Made this sound like a freaking Weekend song. You know how the weekend be. As long he made the K-pop weekend song. As long as we head en route, fear is dead. No doubt, baby, trust me now. Whoa. Excuse me. The sirens keep on screaming. That's a warning. Okay. Baby, I feel our heartbeats shaking, trembling, rough. Boy. Bruh. What in God's name is Bangchan's Railway? Is there explanation? Whoa. See the comment? What is this? Who is this? The comment under the freaking lyrics of this is it's still going. It's still going. Oh, I'm not okay. I need to release it. Oh, that's the realest comment ever. Okay, guys, I died. How about you guys? Man, the power and strength this man holds. Watch him say it's about change. Damn, no, it's not about change. Oh my God. Did someone write it for him or he wrote it? Whoever he wrote this song for. Oh, whoever he wrote this song for. Bangchan, did you have sex on a train?
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you?
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.